India is planning to have more of sodium-ion batteries rather than lithium-ion batteries. Without a dispute, there are few important things that we must understand. First of all, the abundance of sodium. Sodium is abundant in a huge amount, and therefore because of its availability, the supply-demand ratio meets and it becomes less expensive. The most important thing with a sodium-ion battery is that it is also environmental friendly and therefore another important benefit. In contrast to this, the lithium deposits are limited. India is not a great producer of lithium and therefore we have to again depend on imports for lithium. To avoid that import dependence, again, having a technology which can be developed within the nation makes it more reasonable, and therefore sodium ion battery is a good alternative. Also, we have seen over the years that the lithium price in the market have jumped. The simple reason for this jump is the increased demand. And therefore, the prices have gone up by more than 450%, which is extremely high. So, another important thing that is beneficial with sodium ion battery is it is less susceptible to any temperature change and it is non-inflammable. But on the other side, there are certain major drawbacks that we have to face with sodium ion batteries. One is these batteries can break down faster and they have low energy density. Since they have low energy density than the lithium ion batteries, that means an electric vehicle, if it is running on a sodium ion battery of the same size as compared to a lithium ion battery, it would not be able to go very far on a single charge. That means the distance that it can travel on the same amount of charge as the lithium ion battery is relatively less with the sodium ion battery. So this is would be preferably used mainly for stationary charging rather than vehicles where you can have stationary batteries. Sodium ion would be a good replacement. Also, packing more voltage into the same space. Since you are packing a lot of voltage into the same space, it can lead to a faster breakdown, and that's another important challenge. So two important challenges that we understand with sodium ion batteries, but in spite of that, there are numerous positive aspects that we have or the benefits we have with the sodium battery. Now, some of the important companies, Faradion is one of the companies which has been a pioneer in the sodium ion battery for last 10 years. Besides this, we have Hina batteries. Now, this Hina battery is a development from Chinese Academy of Sciences. Tiamat is another company working in it, which is a result of the French Research Center for Scientific Research. Natron is another company working in sodium ion, and this is a child of the Stanford University. Altris AB is another company, and this is a Sweden-based company which is working on the same technology. Capital is another company, and this is the China's contemporary Emprex Technology Limited, and this is another important company that is working from China for the work of sodium ion batteries. So some of the named research companies involved in production and research for sodium ion batteries have been mentioned. So those were some of the key important things that we must keep in mind. But yes, India is now emphasizing to produce and have deliverables for sodium ion batteries. The real reason and its advantage over the lithium ion battery we have discussed in this lecture. A very important topic for your mains answer writing, and many such important GS topics we would be covering in the upcoming sessions. Stay tuned.